Hello students, the next part in the drafting is to generate a bill of material as well as a ballooning diagram. A ballooning diagram is nothing but simply giving the numbering or simply giving a lettering to my particular components. And bill of material is nothing but which simply consists of different columns, or in short it is simple table which is having different columns starting from its number, the name of part, its material, its quantity, and so on and so forth. Now first of all we see that how to generate a numbering in a particular assembly domain. Now before that, make sure that each object should have its a proper naming. How to do its name, or how to simply change its name, that I have already covered in a video, that is the video in the part modeling. So here we have two different shafts and we have one key with a simply one muff coupling. So these are the naming. So here we have option of a generate numbering. So when I click on the generate numbering, the window will appear on this particular right hand side when I select this one. See, it asks whether you want integer 1 to 3 or you want a lettering. So choice is yours. So when I select on integer and say OK, here you generate the numbering. So to execute those numbering, you go in the drafting. How to go in the drafting? Start mechanical design and go here drafting. Again going with a blank one. I'm not interested over here to explain each and everything in detail because I have already covered the details of this drafting. So main intention for this video is to show you how to come up with bill of material and how to generate a ballooning diagram. So go over here and simply call it. I'll simply rotate it. Okay, happy, fine. So this is the active window one. So this is a sheet. I want to change its properties. It is A4, so I'm selecting is A1 and say OK. Yeah, it is fit over here. Now go here, insert, and here generation. Here we have the ballooning generation or simple balloon generation. Click over here. Now see, in this way we can come up with the ballooning one. The first one is this shaft, the second one is the key, and third one is a muff. The sequence is similar. The first one is shaft, second one is key, and third one is muff. Sequence is simply depends upon how you call your components for assembly purpose. If I suppose I call the first the muff coupling, then here instead of shaft the first numbering goes to this particular muff coupling or simply coupling. So it depends on the sequence. So in this way we can come up with the ballooning one. This tool is active, this one, only when you generate this particular option. If it is not generated by you, then this ballooning is not working properly. So you first generate this and then go for the balloon option. After this one, the next is to come up with the bill of material. Again here we have the insert, and insert here we have the bill of material advance and the simple bill of material. So select this bill of material, second one, and click over here. Now see, here you generate a simple bill of material as I told you earlier, having a quantity, part, type, and if you want you can edit this and you can change its maybe from nomenclature to its material, like so. In this way we can come up with a bill of material. two quantity of shaft, one is key and one is coupling. See, here we have a two shaft, one key and one coupling. So this particular naming to each of the part is very important. So in this way we can come up with a simple bill of material. If someone wants to add the material over here rather than nomenclature, double click over here and you change from this to material and say OK. And if you want, you can add the material name over here. Double click. Maybe first one is a plain carbon steel PCS. Similarly for this also plain carbon steel PCS, right? Like that you can add. If you want, you can change it again by giving the grade, material grade, like so. In this way you can do as per your requirement. So this is the bill of material and this is called as a ballooning diagram, right? I hope this part is very much clear to all of you. Okay, thank you very much.